You can use your iPad to make and receive phone calls, but you'll need to enable a few settings first. On your iPhone, you'll first go to Settings and then scroll all the way down to Apps. Then find the Phone app and tap that. Find a section called Calls on Other Devices. This is where we can control which Apple devices can make and receive phone calls. On the top, you'll need to make sure the toggle to allow calls on other devices is on. And below that, make sure to turn on the toggle for the devices you're planning to use for phone calls. On my iPad, I'll first go to Settings, then all the way down to Apps, and then FaceTime settings. Then scroll down a bit and tap Calls from iPhone. I already granted permissions on my phone to share calls, and this is where I allow my iPad to accept and enable those calls. After that, I can simply open the phone app on my iPad and make regular phone calls. The person I'm calling will see the call coming from my phone number, like it's coming from my iPhone. Or if someone calls me, I'll see the incoming calls on my iPad screen like this, and I can answer the calls on my iPad. By default, your iPhone and iPad need to be near each other to share calls like this, but if you have Wi-Fi calling enabled and your carrier supports it, you can also do this when your iPhone is not close to your iPad. And that's how you make phone calls on your iPad. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.